I'm about to go ahead and go into the gym, get a nice little workout in. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I just got off work, went home, changed into my gym clothes, got my stuff, and now I am at the gym ready to get a good workout in. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right on into it. So got back from the gym and I went ahead and I cooked some and then yeah, so I'm sorry if y'all hear Kevin Samuels in the background. I love listening to him while I'm working on stuff. He literally he'll be going off on people. Like, I don't know, let me know, do y'all watch Kevin Samuels? What do y'all think? I like listening to him. Some of his stuff I'm like, it gets you, it doesn't come out, like, it doesn't make you feel like good, but some of the stuff is like true. I'm like, it just makes you think more. That's why I like listening to him. So I got back from the gym, started cooking, and what I did is I tinted my brows. I should have showed you guys. Y'all, I gotta get better at vlogging because I'll be forgetting to do things on camera. Like, I'm so used to just like doing stuff, and occasionally I'll have my phone filming a TikTok, but like I gotta get used to bringing you guys around too because it's Vlogmas. Hello. So anyways, I cooked, showered, and now I went ahead and I tinted my brows, and then I did my like DIY lash extensions. Ignore my hair, guys. I'm about to shave it off. I'm so sick and tired of my hair. Like, I'm so tired of my hair. Just kidding, I'm not gonna shave it off, but I'm about to do something to it because I'm so tired of it. But anyways, so I did like my DIY lash extensions, and then I just lightly tinted my brows. I'm gonna show you guys what I used to tint my brows since I didn't film me doing it. I like using this here. It's Just for Men, and I got this off of Amazon, but you could literally pick this up at like CVS, Walmart, Walgreens. This is the stuff that guys be putting on their hair when it turns gray. So I like using this on my brows. Now, so typically whenever I do this, I leave it on for like 40 minutes because the longer you leave it on, like the longer it'll last, and it washes off over time. This is not permanent. It just gives your eyebrows like a nice tint. So I like doing this like once a week if I'm feeling fancy, and if I have time, I go in and I laminate my brows also. I have time to do that now, so I just tinted them, and that's fine. I think later this week I'll go through and laminate them, and I'll show you guys how I laminate my brows because that's a process as well. But yeah, so I use this, and I use an old eyebrow brush, and I kind of like follow my natural shape, and then I go in with a Q-tip and I clean it up. And I just like the way this makes my brows look because, like I said, I don't wear makeup to work. So lashes and brows are pretty important because that's all I have. So yeah, Now, as for my lashes, I'm trying to find a lash tech to go to because the place I go to now is just inconsistent and they get on my nerves. So, while I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing with my lashes, I decided to do this DIY lash thing, and I'm going to show you guys what I use. So I use these lashes here, and I got these from Sally's, and these are just the Ardell individual lash, and I get them in long black, and these lashes are so nice. They're just individual, and yeah, they're really nice, natural looking. And then what I use to hold it onto my natural lash, I use this here. During quarantine, I wasn't able to get my lashes done, so I started using Lashify, whatever. And while I was using their lashes, I was using their glue to bond them. So I just use this same bonder that I use for those lashes. I use this for these. So this is the bonder that I use, and it holds these on for about, I don't know, like 3 days, I would say. It really just depends how well they're on there, but typically they last about 3 days. So yeah, this is the glue that I use, and yeah, it's pretty strong glue. I like it. All over my lash, like I'm applying mascara. I wait for it to get a little tacky, and then I go in with the individual lashes and just place them along my lash. This time when I did them a little sloppy because I was getting sleepy, but normally when I do them, they look a little better. This eye came out better. Yeah, I mean, it takes a little bit of practice to do it. Sometimes they come out like lopsided and stuff. You just really gotta focus and like practice. But yeah, this is just a good like in-between thing to do while I wait to get my lash extension. I'm gonna do a little face mask, and I'm gonna show you guys the mask that I'm gonna use. So far this has been doing pretty well on my skin, and I can see a difference the way it's been working on this area, because this has been my problem area. I've been breaking out like crazy. I don't know what's going on. First, it looks like this. And it's good for aging skin and dullness, and it's really good at brightening up the skin. So I got this from Target a little bit ago, and yeah, I really like the way this works on my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my face. So I have my mask on my face. I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit while I chill and unwind, and then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close this vlog off here. I'm sorry guys that these vlogs have been, I mean, it's only day 2, but this is just the reality of it. Not every day am I out doing stuff, but when I am doing stuff, I'll be sure to take you along. During the week, it's pretty chill. All I do is work, gym, edit. That's it. And like, you know, work on my business and stuff. That's pretty much all I do. But yeah, the vlogs will get more entertaining throughout the week, and I will be sure to take you guys along with me. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions. Be sure to follow me on my socials. I'll have everything linked down below, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.